Hey guys, it's Lexy. Welcome back to another video. Fun fact, my shirt says I was up till 5 a.m. and I was. Rip my sleep schedule. Anyways, for today's video, I am going to be doing the ramen noodle challenge. Spicy ramen noodle challenge. What is it? Spicy ramen noodle challenge. And then there's extreme spicy ramen noodle challenge. So I decided to combine the two and do it in one video. So I have the regular ramen and the extreme 2 times spicy ramen. Rip my digestive system, you guys. Anyways, I love ramen. If you guys watched my Vlogmas last year, I ate ramen almost every single day. I thought this would be fun, and I thought it would be funny to watch my reaction. So if you guys like videos like this, challenge videos, etc., give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what other challenge videos you want me to do, and I will do them for you and maybe give you a shout out if I pick your request from the comments. And if you want to see what you requested if and when I do it, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications because you don't get notified when I post new videos if you don't turn on the bell. That would be really sad. Follow my social media linked down below. I also have a vlog channel which I post on a lot, so subscribe to that and turn on the notifications. So for starters, I'm going to start out with the regular spicy ramen. It was very difficult to find a 1-pack of these ramens because they were always like in 5 packs or 10 packs, and I really only need the 1-pack. I will link it down below for you guys in case you want to get them and try it out for yourself. If you do, let me know. Film yourself and tweet it to me. Let's go to the kitchen and cook this baby up. Ooh, it's broken. There's 2 sauce packets. There it is. Now we wait. So these are the cooking directions. You put it in for 5 minutes, then just put the seasoning on. No, I lost some. They said to put the liquid soup, which I think is this red one. There it is. It's coming out. Okay. Wow. It says to stir fry for 30 seconds, but I don't know what that means. Oh my god. I'm so nervous. So now we put the flakes in. These things, I guess. Ooh. What the heck? Alright guys, these are the flakes. Look at this. Those are flakes. What the heck is that? I'm so confused. It's sticking to my fork. Like, do you see this? Alright guys, we are back. Here's the ramen. Here's how it's looking. I've got a big cup of water. Okay, I can't do it. I am so nervous. Oh my god. It's so hot, the bowl is burning my hand. Okay guys, we're gonna do it. I'm so scared and nervous. Wish me luck. Give this video a thumbs up. Wish me luck by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm so scared. I'm so scared, guys. Alright, enough procrastination. We're gonna do it. But first I'm gonna tie my hair back. Okay guys, here we go. I am so scared. It's getting kind of hot. I think that just got all over my face. It's spicy, y'all! Oh, I just dropped that on my leg. You know, your girl forgot napkins. That's smart. Alright, so I got a napkin now, and that stain isn't really coming out of my leg. That's great. And I can really feel the heat now. These noodles are weird though. They're like so soft. No, I don't have any scotch tape. I already lost. I'm sweating. Like, do you see the sweat? I mean, I was sweating before because it's so hot in here, but... All these noodles are like stuck together. Like, do you see this? Oh, my nose is running. Do people actually eat this whole thing? Or do they quit like halfway through? I feel like I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. It wasn't so bad at first. I can't even talk, but now it's like really burning. Okay. You guys, it really burns. Do I quit or do I keep eating? I have so much left. Nope, I can't do it. I can't do anymore. Alright you guys, that is it. I can't do anymore. My mascara is running, my nose is running, and it burns. I still have so much left, but I can't. It's already way too hot. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know what else you want to see next week in the comments down below, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications and turn on the notification bell. You can always be notified whenever I post a new video. I'm so out of breath just from eating this. Oh my god. Subscribe to my vlog channel and follow my other social media linked down below, and turn on the notifications for the vlog channel also. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! That girl was a